Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change profile picture on Facebook without posting. To change your profile picture on Facebook without notify other people, here's what you should do. First step is open Facebook app on your mobile device. Then tap on the profile icon in the top left of the screen. Then click on the profile picture and tap on select profile picture. Choose profile picture or video. Choose the new profile picture. Uncheck the box next to share your updates to newsfeed.
And tap save.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.